Hi, I'm Doc. This is Joker, and we run together. But it wasn't always this way for us. Until we learned to run in rhythm.
I think a person can get a great deal of joy from running in rhythm with their dog. It takes a lot of practice, but the effort's worth it. And I just wanted to share a little bit of our joy with you today.
Your amber eyes, they find me, my shelter, my guide. Oh, lighthouse in the silence, shine your light for me. Through the shadows of my sorrow, across the endless sea, I feel you in the stillness, where the quiet knows what's true. The amber eyes that heal.
The running journey doesn't begin with run with me. It begins with walk with me. And walk with me begins with, do you want a treat? The answer is usually yes.
Your love, it moves in silence, a flame that never wanes, a lighthouse through the darkness, beyond all loss and pain.
There's a dog coming up in front of us. You can't see it, but I'm going to show you what I do to keep my dog's attention. Joker, look at me.
My shelter, my guide, oh, lighthouse in the silence.
So, look at me results in a treat. It gets his attention away from the other dog, and we're able to pass the dog gracefully, because for my dog at least, the food has become much more interesting than the other dog, or the deer, or cows, or coyotes.
It brings your essence.
I think today was a good day to have a good day. What do you think, Joker?
Oh, lighthouse in the silence, shine your light for me. Through the shadows of my sorrow, across the endless sea, I feel you.